In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily disable end calls with the side button on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started, and by default you can end a phone call by pressing at the side button, just like that. Just press at that button, and what that will do, this will end a call and lock your device. If you want to turn this feature off, head over to Settings, then Accessibility, Touch, and then scroll down until you find Prevent Lock to End Call. If you want to prevent the side button from ending the current call, just turn on that feature. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.